Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your age on Discord PC. So over here we don't have actually an option to change our age right away, but there is one method to change your age on Discord. So first go to Discord, and here you can see Discord support. Click there and go to this website. So on the right hand side you can see submit a request, so click there and scroll down, and over here you can see appeals and age update request. So now enter your email address that you use to log into Discord. So now click this button if you want. I'm just going to skip this. So here select an option and then enter your date of birth that you want to update. And over here click this option, and now enter your subject and enter your description, and then you have to attach any document that matches your age. And after doing all that, all you have to do is hit submit and you'll be able to change your age on Discord. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.